make music videos like this anymore, dude. What a fucking bop. Oh, and I can't even sing along because I don't speak anything but English, and I don't even speak English that good, so it's going to be even more hard for me to do any type of words. She said fancy, though. She did say an English word, but she didn't... That's the only part that I can sing. Because any other part that I try to sing will be offensive. Oh my god, are those paper clips? I love a fucking rainbow paper clip, dude. There's so many paper clips everywhere. It's like raining paper clips. Oh my god, they look so good. She said ice cream. She did say ice cream. She said that. She said something about ice cream, but... She said ice cream. I don't care what anyone says. I know what I heard, and I heard the truth. The truth is that she said ice cream. She said ice cream. I don't care. Tell me something else, because I know that it might be something else. She said ice cream. She said... She said baby. Dude, if she's saying that she wants to fucking take me for ice cream, she could take me for ice cream every day. And I'll fucking eat ice cream every day and die from ice cream, because this is a great video and they look good. What a fucking vid, dude. What a M-V. Yeah, the song is a fucking bop, and I ship, and I support, and that's a fucking M-V right there. That's an MV, without a doubt. She said ice cream, by the way. I don't care if you speak her language. I'm not fucking... She said ice cream. She said babe. She said baby, and then question mark, 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 and then she said ice cream, and then question mark, question mark, question mark, question mark, question mark, and then kept saying other things that I don't know what she said. Then she probably said fancy again. You know? Something ice cream. I like the song because I like ice cream, and I think that it sounds good. And I also like that there were many paper clips that were the shade of rainbow. So I'm here for that.